dancers, it's Charon Tap Star here at #1 Hoofer, sharing tap love to help you surpass your personal best. Alright you guys, we are here with tap dance warm-up number 2. What will it consist of? I don't know, we're about to find out as we go along. Alright you guys, so just follow along. You know a lot of these things you should to be able to follow along, alright? Alright, let's start with shuffles. Shuffles and then flap out of it for a transition, okay? Flap out of it to transition to the other side. 7, 1, 2, 3, and. But since I didn't, I love you so much, but now we have to do on the other side, okay? Hopefully I can remember it. 1, 2, 3, and up. Good job, you guys. All right, give me. What's up with me missing these beats? Let's take it again. Okay, give me. All right? Okay, I hope I remember that. Let's try the other leg. Ready? And. Hey! All right, you guys. Good job. Let's do the same rhythm, okay? But just shuffle, step, heel. So. Okay? All right, good job. Here we go. This one. 1, 2, ready, and. Other leg. Proud of you. Do you hate me? Hopefully not. right, let's see. Easy. Dig, heel, dig, snip. Dig, heel, dig, snip. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and. Excellent. Let's do hips. Come along. Good job, you guys. All right, excellent. Hold on one second. I had to push pause. I have something to get to, but I'm gonna give you a little more time before I leave. All right. So let's see. Let me have. Let's see if I can remember that. All right, we got it. 1, 2, 3, and. Yes, you guys. All right, these tutorials are free, which means I'm editing it on my own, so this will not be taken out because time is precious, and I spend a lot of time on this editing part, okay? More than doing this part right here. So, I hope you had fun. I love you so much. That is it for today. I can't talk for today, except for pullbacks. Let me have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wing. Okay? 1, 2, here we go. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. If you can't tell, I'm sure you could. I am landing flat out of my wings. Out of my pullbacks. Okay? Excellent. Let's take it one more time and then we're out of here, you guys, okay? 1, 2, here we go. Good job. Last time. 1, 2, here we go. All right, you guys, I love you so much. I'm so proud of you for taking this time to just get your feet moving with me, okay? You have an amazing day. Make sure you practice this 5 times a week, okay? Repetition equals more greatness. Repetition equals more greatness, you guys, okay? I love you so much. You are so spectacular. There is no one better than you. Why? Because you are unique. All right, you guys, I love you so much. See you next week. Charon Tap Star out. Number 1 hoopers, let's go. Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 hoopers, let's go. Show your appreciation. Like this video now.